How to know that your Excel already installed the solver? Please go to click data, then you will see the solver here. If you already see the solver here, it means everything is already done. You only need to use solver in your Excel. However, in the case that when you open it and you didn't see it there, for example this, so when I click data, I didn't see the solver. So it means you haven't installed the solver in your Excel yet. So how can you install the solver in Excel? It's just easy. So first click File, then after that Options, and choose Add-ins, and choose Go here, and click Solver Add-in here, and OK. And after that, check again in Data, and see you already see the solver here. So it's done.